Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials: the same phone number, the Google account or iCloud that holds your backup, and a charged device. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi and allow storage and contacts access so files can be written. Then open WhatsApp and complete phone number verification. The app will scan for backups and present a restore option. Tap Restore to pull messages and media from the cloud. This is the critical first action because it relinks WhatsApp to your saved conversation history. If the cloud backup is missing, you can use a local backup on Android. First, open a file manager and locate WhatsApp/databases. Identify files named MSG-store YIMMDD, DB, crypt12. Once you pick the right date, rename it to MSG-store, DB, crypt12 and place it in the same folder on the phone you'll restore to. Then reinstall WhatsApp when prompted. Decline or skip Cloud Restore so the installer detects the local backup and restores from that file. This manual step, after the restore completes, let WhatsApp download media and reindex messages. Check groups, archive chats, and starred messages to confirm completeness. If your backup was end-to-end encrypted, make sure you enter the exact passphrase or 64-digit key when prompted, because without it the backup cannot be decrypted. If you still don't see chats, verify the backup date, Google/iCloud account, and storage permissions, or try restoring a local backup copied from the old device. Only then contact WhatsApp support as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.